movies. And I've been completely talking HMS, relevant neurodegenerative disease, which is P30 with the respective discussing therapy. So I into some literature out that is chain of action associated disease. According to these studies, active stress activates the alpha much inactivated kinase, which is then becomes hyperactive in hyperactivity alpha stimulates TD3 specifics to lose liquid separation. In quick acquisition gives absolute mimics of the peroxide, blocks the activate alpha, but this is absolute for 3 this 4 and heavy cell perform nuclear docking between wood PyRx alpha with respective labs. The tag were downloaded from PubChem database. Ligand suckers prepared using open call and not was using Vina integrated in this was done. You find mall here this is naked receptor comp. First one is the interaction 34338 alpha. And second was reaction between alpha. I have both this side by comparison as we can see both ligands bind the same pop. Here is the view intention direction performing molecule ATP cortical the bunch was L was minus 7 point between absolute and 38 alpha. The structure to the action as we give bonds, resonance, the types on comparison, you can see both same the show the amino acids which confirm that ligands are one it's the not the section of at alpha on which is in color orange represents electrostatic represents this is between 38 alpha and the first will knowing the hydrogen reduce emission rectangle. Second is the hydrogen showing amino acids and atom. There are papers where I have taken data